So, Corey, I have a question for you.
What?
Do you like peanut butter?
Yes, I do.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, I do.
Do you like peanut butter sushi?
Hey guys, it's CJ and Corey. That's right, it's CJ and Corey. We might be cooking up something to eat, or crafts, and it's always a treat with CJ and Corey.
Hey guys, it's CJ and Corey, and doing another one craft. I'm doing a sushi craft, but I was doing kind of stuff, but it's crazy craft today. But Mom here is me.
Okay, what she meant to say was we are back with the
Snack break.
snack break. Girl, you hit a run on that today?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we making today? You guys heard that in the intro. Do you like peanut butter?
Let me talk too.
Yeah, talk to us.
So guys, us not in a classroom, us outside in the kitchen.
We're in the kitchen area. We are doing the snack break. Oh yeah! And over on our Instagram, like a couple weeks ago, we asked everyone about some crazy food combinations, and that's what we're gonna have going on for the next few weeks. So today we are making PB&J sushi.
Yeah.
PB&J sushi today. If you are on our mailing list, you got this.
It's so hard, let's do it.
Okay. I was gonna tell them if you're on our mailing list, you got this recipe in your inbox. If not, join the mailing list. Join the CJ and Corey crew. Corey is ready. Let's get into it. Let's tell them what we have today to make our PB&J sushi.
So let me tell them.
Okay.
Let me tell what us have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just first, our sushi mats today are really just more for show. We don't really need them to roll today, but we're gonna use them anyway. And these are gonna be linked below too. All right. Go ahead, get into it.
I got a bread, guys.
Bread.
Yeah.
That's gonna be our sushi base.
Look on the top in case.
Yes, she already ate one before the video started.
Yeah, and I got this pomegranates.
Pomegranate seeds. Yep.
And I got some blueberries.
Ooh, blueberries. We had a whole pomegranate. We actually just got the seeds out by ourselves before this started. We have a bunch more over there. We got some peanut butter, baby. We like Peter Pan peanut butter. It's super good, super creamy. You see the spoon already has peanut butter? And we have some Welch's grape jam. All in your face. What's up? Okay. We get carried away. Okay, we have our Zule kitchen knives. These are also linked. We're linking everything today.
Me so hard.
Okay. And we have our mats. And then Corey has cute kid chopsticks. We're gonna link these too. And then we have these, our sushi mats that they came with.
So fast, you
told me to hurry up. I'm trying to go fast. I don't know what to do. Okay. Let's get started. That's like I said, if you guys have the recipe card, you can be going right along with us. You can be going at our pace or faster, whatever. Let's get it into it. Okay.
So let me have one.
Have a piece of bread for you.
Let me have this.
Have a piece of bread for me. All right. So what we're gonna do first is take our kid-friendly kitchen safe knives by Zule Kitchen. We love these. They came in a whole set, I think maybe 3. And we're gonna just chop off the edges of our bread. Let's get into it. And I'm gonna eat the edges too because I don't like to waste.
You're cutting the whole thing.
Want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
It's okay. We got it. Okay, so we have some of our bread cut, and now what we're going to do is what Corey started doing already. We're going to use our rolling pins and just flatten it out a little bit. Roll it right
like you.
You're doing it. Just do it a little harder. Bear down on it. Guys, look at my bread. Who do you think took a bite out of it? Give a thumbs up on our video if you think it was Corey. All right. Ooh, Corey, that's some great rolling. And so guys, what we have our blueberries and pomegranate for is because we're just going to use that as a little garnish on the top of our sushi. We like to use berries.
Guys.
Oh, that looks so good. We usually like to use raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, stuff like that. But we use what we had on hand, which was blueberries and pomegranate. But we're just going to dice them up for the top too. All right. So here's the peanut butter. We both have 2 spoons. One for peanut butter, one for jelly. No double dipping. You heard that, Daisy? Double dipping, Daisy. So I'm going to take the peanut butter and just spread that out.
I have mine.
On my sliced bread. I'll do it carefully. I don't want to rip my bread since it's kind of rolled out. So I got my peanut butter on there.
Gotta do my peanut butter, guys. I got peanut butter.
She got her peanut butter on there. All right. So I got that peanut butter on there. Now I'm going to get a little jam. I'm going to take my jam.
Yeah, baby.
Bible. And I'm going to spread that right on top of my peanut butter. Oh, yeah. That smells good already. I mean, who doesn't love PB&J? So I do have this sushi mat to roll, but I'm not even going to use that today. I'm going to just use my hands and roll that baby up. Get a little log roll.
Why, but me want to use mine.
You can use that. That's the good thing about this. You can do whatever makes you feel good. Of course, guys, I'm going to get a close-up shot and show you guys. Okay, we're going to keep making more of these, and then we'll show you guys how we're going to set up on our tray, and then we'll come back and cut up all of our fruit. Okay? Be right back. Okay guys, we've been putting our little sushi rolls on this little wooden tray. I have peanut butter and jelly like actually all over my sweatshirt. So there's that, but that's okay. I definitely should have put an apron on today. So what we're gonna do now is top our sushi rolls. We have our blueberries and a little bit of our pomegranate, and we can either chop our blueberries or add them whole, however we like.
So
and we're gonna put a little,
them.
chop these. You don't need to chop the pomegranates.
Oh my god. Look, what's this in here?
Ooh, it looks yummy inside. Let me try one. Are they sweet or tangy? They're actually sweet.
Inside, a little bit nasty.
It's a little nasty inside. I'm gonna put a little toppings on these. Just making them look cute. The pomegranate is super pretty on it. I love pomegranate, don't you? That's pretty, Corey. Cut a little bit. We're just decorating ours. I wonder what kind of fruits you guys are going to use in yours. If you guys make these, kiddos and parents, share with us. Kiddos, if your parents have a social media, ask them to share and tag us, CJ and Corey, on Instagram. If you make it and make a pin, share it with us on Pinterest. We're going to add this to our Pinterest page. That's also CJ and Corey. Facebook, CJ and Corey. Everywhere, CJ and Corey. Our website is actually cjskids.com. Oh yeah, Corey is adding tons of pomegranate to our sushi bowls. We're gonna give you guys a overhead shot of these super cute rolls. Right, Corey?
Yep.
All right. Guys, we totally almost left. We said goodbye and everything without trying them on camera. I do have some regular grown-up chopsticks here, but Corey wants me to use hers. So, let's dig in. Ooh, I want one. I want to get, that pomegranate's falling off. I'm going to put it right back on top. Ooh, I like the little bite from the pomegranate seed. That gives it a little texture. You like it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try another one. I want pomegranate on mine for sure. That peanut butter all over my nail. I really, really like it with the pomegranate. You hear pomegranate seeds dropping. That's so good. You like it?
Yes.
Can I get that one little pomegranate seed? I want to get another
Them
one.
is so little. It catch.
They are so little to catch. I'm going to put mine back on top. And then I'm going to pick it up with this. Okay, that's another really yummy bite. You guys got to see that one. That's yummy.
Let me have that one. Tell me like it. We like it though. We like it. You would get You would get it.
I made the perfect bite and then you took it. Go ahead.
You would get it all one.
Mom life in full effect.
You would get it all one.
I'm going to get one. I'm going to get one. It's okay. All the mamas out there felt that. They felt that in their spirit. I know y'all did. That's so good.
So, I know, God, you're not see my grandma and mama, but her said, that's my mama, and that's my grandma.
Yeah, your mama is your grandma. Mama is my mommy. I know they probably know that by now if they've been around, because we talk about her all the time.
But y'all gotta see her.
Y'all gotta see her. So we should invite Mama to do an episode with us?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, look out for it. We're gonna do an episode with Mama. Maybe we should do a mukbang with her.
Yeah.
Seafood mukbang.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us today on the snack break.
Snack break.
Corey is adding more fruit to our sushi rolls, so they're going to be nice and loaded up. We will see you guys in the next video. If you are not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button and hang out with your girls every week, CJ and Corey, right here on our channel. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Pinterest, because we're all over the net. We will see you guys for the rest of Vlogmas, more snack breaks, the rest of the year, next year, all the time, because we're going to be right here and you guys are going to be coming back to join us, all right?
Yep.
You want to say anything else before we leave, short stuff?
No.
You done? All right, peace out, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Be cooking up something to eat, or crafts and it's always a treat with CJ and Cole.